now I had because it makes like before blower working and then now igniter and sorry for my phone was stop. This little boy was the one. Okay. So keeps again. So after this because I want to show why it keeps like this before it turns all this. And this is turning on. Because this induster is on first. And then after induster, and then I can hear a pressure switch, and then high surface igniter is on, and then it's going to kick for the gas valve, and then after gas valve it says I'm ready. I have gas valve, I'm ready. Then after that, when your breath is getting over to the heat, and then he said, blower sir, I need to warm the heat exchanger from the port. Now it is not like before, it keeps on, off, on, off, on, off. So now it's working perfect. And blower kicks, now blower is turning on. The blower is on. It is good now. I'm good.